Today, we're in Beverly, West Virginia, the heart of Appalachia, to team up with the flooring experts from AHF Products at the largest hardwood flooring facility in the country to learn why hardwood floors are the perfect choice for your home. Why would you ask? Let's find out.
No matter the trends, hardwood has been around really for thousands of years. AHF for the last 100 years, and really making it a valuable choice for our customers that people can pass on through the generations. What we do here at AHF is we really listen and understand our customer needs and set up our manufacturing and supply chain to meet those needs every day.
Wood is the real thing. There's no two boards that look the same. You can't grow a tree to look identical to another. The authenticity, the uniqueness, the durability is something that makes it so valuable and such a high-end demand product.
The sustainability of the supply for us at this facility is addressed throughout the entire supply chain. The size of this facility is approximately 64 million square feet of capacity, and it is the largest solid hardwood manufacturing facility in the U.S.
I'm at our Beverly, West Virginia plant, and it's our largest solid hardwood plant, and this is where I do all my color trials. So when I do a collection, it typically includes 10 colors, 10 unique colors. And lately what I've been doing is 5 colors that would be trending. For the other collection part, it would be a little bit more traditional, because we have to have an answer for every person, every designer, every consumer, as it relates to color, species, and texture.
The beauty of hardwood is truly timeless. AHF produces 2 types of wood flooring, solid and engineered. Both supply generations of durability and beauty. Choices can vary based on applications, design, or region of the country. A solid wood floor can literally last for hundreds of years. The fact is, normal wear and tear are unlikely to shorten its lifespan, and a wood floor can last longer than it takes to grow the trees needed to replace it. A truly sustainable, natural building material.
As far as the wood resource that comes into the facility, we're very responsible with that. We work with our suppliers, our sawmills that supply us lumber to maximize their yield. And then when we bring it to the facility, we handle it with great care. Product design is obviously critical to us, and we're very blessed as a company to have some very seasoned, experienced, wonderful product designers.
The practical nature of hardwood from a design standpoint is just beautiful. I always tell people that I color hardwood. I tell them I'm a product designer and I color hardwood. And then they want to know more. I'm going to say our hardwood portfolio just become huge. And it changes as the trends change.
Here in the heart of Appalachia, our #1 goal is to really preserve our resources. And we're doing that through capital equipment, over $30 million of capital equipment put into this Beverly facility to gain yield out of our product. We can tell you the story of how our product goes through this factory and is touched by over 500 craftsmen and gets onto your floor for a lifelong value. We're investing in American-made products and American workers.
It's so important to understand really why it is that floor is so valuable in your home. It needs to be installed properly. It also needs to be maintained properly. Having a qualified installer put these floors in. Wood floors are an investment. It's one of the greatest investments you would put into your home. A real wood floor is one that you should feel confident allowing your kids to crawl around on and your pets to roll around on. Wood floors can be refinished. Wood floors can change color. You can do a lot of things with real wood floors. That's really the essence of why wood is so valuable.
For homeowners, builders, designers, hardwood flooring is a beautiful and practical solution. Responsible, authentic, long-lasting. Real wood. It's the real deal for real life. To learn more about AHF Real Wood products, visit their website, ahfproducts.com. And for more on everything on our show today, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.